Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 35 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some more examples from exercise 1.4, question number 1, 3. X is equal to root a square plus m square and y is equal to log a square plus m square. Solution: given x is equal to root a square plus m square, y is equal to log a square plus m square. In this case, you substitute a square plus m square is equal to t, and therefore x is equal to root t. Okay, because this a square plus m square is equal to x. Correct now? Okay, yeah. So x is equal to root t and y is equal to log t. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x, respect to t. Dx dt is equal to 1 upon 2 root t and dy dt is equal to 1 upon t. So dy dx is equal to dy dt upon dx dt is equal to 1 upon t into this reciprocal 2 upon root t. Simplify this, you will get 2 upon root t, and therefore dy dx is equal to 2 upon root a square plus m square. Okay. Question number 4. X is equal to sin theta, y is equal to tan theta. Solution: given x is equal to tan theta, x is equal to sin theta, y is equal to tan theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Dx d theta is equal to cos theta and dy d theta is equal to sec square theta, and therefore dy dx is equal to this sec square theta upon cos theta. If you simplify this, you will get sec cube theta, because 1 upon cos is equal to sec into sec square, that is sec cube theta. Okay. Question number 5. X is equal to a into bracket 1 minus cos theta, y is equal to b into theta minus sin theta. Okay. Solution: given x is equal to a into bracket 1 minus cos theta, y is equal to b into bracket theta minus sin theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Dx d theta is equal to a, derivative a is constant, a into derivative of 1 is 0 plus sin theta. Okay. And dy d theta is equal to b into bracket d theta minus cos theta, and therefore dx d theta is equal to a sin theta and dy d theta is equal to b into bracket 1 minus cos theta, and therefore dy dx is equal to dy d theta upon dx d theta is equal to b into bracket 1 minus cos theta upon a sin theta. So that is b into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta upon 2, and a sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2. Simplify this, b upon a sin and 1 sin get cancelled. So sin theta upon 2 upon sin theta upon 2 upon cos theta upon 2, that is equal to b upon a tan theta upon 2. Question number 6. X is equal to t plus 1 upon t raised to a and y is equal to a raised to t plus a raised to t plus 1 upon t. Okay. Given x is equal to t plus 1 upon t raised to a, y is equal to a raised to t plus 1 upon t. put 1 plus 1 upon t is equal to s. S is equal to s raised to a and y is equal to a raised to s. Taking log on both the sides, log x is equal to a log s and log y is equal to s log a. Now this you differentiate with respect to s. Okay, 1 upon x dx ds is equal to a upon s and 1 upon y dy ds is equal to log a ds ds. So dx upon ds is equal to x into a upon s, this x you transfer on this side, and dy ds is equal to, here s is here, dy ds is equal to y log a, and therefore dy dx is equal to dy ds upon dx ds and is equal to y log a upon a into a upon s. So y is therefore dy dx is equal to y log a into s upon x into a, and therefore dy dx is equal to y log a. For s you substitute t plus 1 upon t upon x into a. Simplify this, y log a, this is t square plus 1 upon t, and therefore dy dx is equal to y t square plus 1 into log a upon a x t, where a is greater than 0, a is not equal to 1, t is not equal to 0. Okay. Question number 7. X is equal to cos inverse 2t upon 1 plus t square, y is equal to sec inverse into bracket in root 1 plus t square. Okay, given x is equal to cos inverse 2t 1 plus t square and y is equal to sec inverse root 1 plus t square. Put t is equal to tan theta. So therefore tan inverse t is equal to theta. X is equal to cos inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Y is equal to sec inverse root 1 plus tan square theta. So therefore x is equal to cos inverse, this is sine 2 theta and this is sec theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, root you omit, and therefore x is equal to cos inverse cos, this sine you convert into pi by 2 minus 2 theta, and therefore x is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta and y is equal to theta. So x is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse theta t and y is equal to tan inverse t. So differentiate with respect to t, dx dt is equal to 0 minus 2 upon 1 plus t square and dy dt is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square, and hence dy dx is equal to dy dt upon dx dt is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus t square into 1 plus t square upon minus 2. This and this get cancelled and your answer is minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Question number 8. X is equal to cos inverse 4t cube minus 3t, y is equal to tan inverse root 1 minus t square upon t. Put t is equal to cos theta and therefore theta is equal to cos inverse t. And now substitute here, x is equal to cos inverse 4 cos cube minus 3 cos theta, cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, y is equal to tan inverse, this is 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta, and therefore x is equal to cos inverse cos 3 theta and therefore x is equal to 3 theta. y is equal to tan inverse tan theta, that is equal to theta, and therefore y is equal to, substitute here, cos inverse theta, and x is equal to 3 cos inverse t. Differentiate with respect to t, dx dt is equal to 3 minus 1 upon root 1 minus t square. Dy dt is equal to minus 1 upon root 1 minus t square, and hence dy dx is equal to dy dt upon dx dt is equal to minus 1 upon root 1 minus t square into root 1 minus t square upon minus 3. This and this get cancelled, and therefore dy dx is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.